All right, what's going on? It's your boy Rod Williams, and you here because you want to know how to make money online, right? But before I teach you this, I gotta tell you why people never even succeed online in the first place. All right, so let me break this down to you. People, regular people, okay, join network marketing companies, affiliate marketing companies, MLMs, all these different companies, right? But they come from a 9-to-5 job, which means that never in your life have you ran a business, never in your life have you marketed, on a big scale. You've never leveraged or scaled anything up, so you know nothing about business. And most people with the 9-to-5 background come into these businesses with the I have it all figured out mentality. I'm already a boss. I know what I'm doing. And that's the reason most people fail in the first place, is because you come in thinking, oh, well, I used to clock in every day and, it should be like that when I get online. All right. If you know the right things to do and the right actionable steps to take, you will make money all the time. All right. So that's just one thing. The second thing is that people make excuses. All right. I hate selling. I don't know how to sell. I hate recruiting. I don't know how to recruit. Let me tell you something. Everyone on earth is a salesman. All right. And if you're here watching this video, you're the descendants of salesmen, because in order for people to even get in a relationship, you got to sell them on the idea that they can do something or benefit you. Am I right or wrong? So with that being said, everybody has the skill to sell, but that's not what it means online. You don't need to sell people products online. Okay. You need to have products available for people to buy, because selling is not hard. It's all type of things that you can do the way you don't even gotta go up to a person, talk to them, or none of that to sell. So that's another thing that makes people unsuccessful online, because they worry about what they can't do, what they don't have. You don't gotta worry about that, okay? I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know so that when you leave this presentation, you will know exactly what to do and how to start a business online, all right? So look, this is the key to making money online, all right? You need the right business model, okay? A lot of people get into companies, all right? And they get into companies with products and services that somebody may not need or want. They might not believe in it themselves, or they got caught into the hype of someone maybe flashing money at them, or they got a nice house and a car, and just because they can show you they got these things doesn't mean they have your best interest at heart, okay? So you need the right business model, okay? I'm not going to go all the way deep into all the business models there are, but what I will say is you need one that's profitable, okay? And that's just bottom line, because if you don't have a model, if you're not inside of a system that's successful, you won't be successful. Does that make sense? So with that being said, that's the #1 key to making money online. All right, so how do you put this all together? That's what you're asking, right? So I'm going to show you the 3 things you need. Simply, we said the right business model. Second thing is you need a system in place. Basically, the system is going to do the selling and telling for you, so that you don't have to be out here worrying about getting people in, selling, and doing all this stuff. So the system is very key, because without the system, you will be spinning your wheels. And the third thing is work ethic. You got to have the work ethic, putting out content every day, promoting, letting people know about what it is that you're doing. Because without that, you just a stoop on the log. Now, I'm going to teach you how to do all of that in a very simple fashion, long as you follow me and rock out with me. So what you can do is you can take everything that I just showed you, and you can go apply it or do whatever you want to do with it, or you can work with me personally, and I'll train you up, get you ready so you can go out here and hit the ground running. Because my goal is to help you quit your 9-to-5 like I did. That's the best feeling in the world, all right? So if you want that same feeling to quit your job on Friday and don't got to go Monday, click the link in the description, all right? Or click the link wherever it is. I'm not sure if it's a description, but it'll take you to the next step in this process, all right? So with that being said, it's your boy Rod Williams, and I'll see you in a minute, all right? Peace.